I'm making this video with, for the difference between the North Indian and the South Indian chart in reference learning the KP astrology, because North Indian people are very comfortable with the North style chart and it is difficult for them to look at the South Indian chart. But when it comes to learning KP astrology, it is better to you look at the South style chart. You will see why it is easy to look at the South style chart versus North style chart, because you can do the mistake very easily when you are looking at North Indian style chart. I am not supposed to say that you will do the mistake. Yes, you can do the mistake if you won't pay attention to the detail. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's start. We know that this is our North Indian style chart. Anyway, in any horoscope, we used to see a one Rashi chart and one is a Bhava chart. And why is these two charts are there? I'm pretty sure you know that. So I'm not going into in that detail. I'm just going to focus on the difference. So North Indian chart, we talk about the houses. This is our first house. This is second house, this is third house, and we keep going on till 12th house. And we know we go anti-clockwise. And same rule for the Bhava chart. But the difference between the Rashi chart and the Bhava chart, you see that in the second house, in Rashi chart we have a moon only, but when it comes to the Bhava, we have a moon and Jupiter. Uh, in the Rashi chart, we have a Jupiter in the third house, and in the Bhava chart, our third house is empty. Same in the fourth house, we have a Saturn only in Rashi chart. Fifth house, we have a Ketu, but when we are looking at the Bhava chart, we have a Mars and Ketu here. So you will find out later on why this happens. So let's move to the South Indian chart. So South Indian chart, first thing, it goes to the clockwise direction from here to here, and then from there to here, like this, clockwise. And this chart is not we do not talk about the house, because this is based on the Rashi. So this square is always represent Aries, and this is always Taurus, and this is Gemini, this is Cancer, this is Leo, and Virgo, and so on. This is our Pisces. Now, so if these are the Rashis, so where is the houses? So in this one, you will see that this one is this is number 1. So this is telling you this is first house. This is number 2, which is telling you this is house 10. Here is number 9, which is telling you this is house number 9. This is house 10. And the good thing in the South Indian style chart, where you are seeing number 1 under the Aries, it is showing you the degree. Degree means 14 degree 5 minute 39 second, means first house is starting at this degree. And now here is the problem. Why it is 14 5 39? In North Indian style chart, we never talk about the degrees. Yes, this will be, we can talk about this one another video, and I am hoping maybe some of you know that. And here in the second, where the Taurus says that in Taurus sign, moon is placed in the second house at the 14 degree 37 minute 12 second. Now look, let's go back to the compare the chart. This is our ascendant, first house. This is our Aries sign. So in first house we have a Aries sign. That's how we look at the North Indian chart. Let's go to the South Indian chart. We are looking at the Aries sign and it has a first house. So we are good. Okay, let's check the Cancer sign. Cancer sign is in our fourth house. So let's go to the North Indian chart. This is our fourth house and it has a Cancer sign there. So I'm assuming you did understand how these things works. Let's move on to the next one. Now here this is our ascendant and here number change. This is number 2, but this is still our first house. In first house we have a Taurus sign and Taurus sign has a Sun and Mercury retrograde. Let's look at the Bhava chart. Bhava chart, this is our ascendant. We have a Taurus sign here, but our Sun and Mercury went to the 12th house. This is our 12th house. In Bhava Rashi chart, we have a Saturn in 12th house, and that Saturn in the Bhava chart went into the 11th house. Okay, that is the difference between the Rashi chart and Bhava chart. Now, let's go to the South Indian chart. As I said, they are Rashi based. So this is Aries. And here we have a number 12. So what this means, the Aries sign is in the 12th house. Okay, go to the North Indian chart. Here is our 12th house and it has a Aries sign here. This is Taurus sign. Taurus sign, and this is first house, and this is the starting degree of the first house. I am not supposed to say house, this is cusp actually, but for now I will use house. So our first house has a Taurus sign and it has a Sun and retrograde Mercury. Go to the North Indian chart. Okay, first house has a Taurus sign, Sun and retrograde Mercury. And this is our second house. Second house has a Gemini. Do we have a Gemini here? Yes, this is Gemini sign. Let's look at this is our fourth house. Fourth house is in Leo sign, or you can say Leo sign has fourth house. So we are going here. This is our fourth house and it has a Leo sign. So I'm hoping you do understand what I'm saying. Now let's look at here. This one. This one says the number 5. Okay. Number 5 means fifth house. And this has a Virgo sign. And it has a Jupiter at 2 degree 47 minute 49 second and Ketu as 3 degree 29 minute 16 second and Moon at 25 degree 34 56. So let me write down here. No, leave it. It will be a long otherwise. So fifth house, let's go to the North Indian chart. First the Rashi chart. This is our fifth house and we have all 3 planets. when we are going to the Bhava chart, this is our fifth house and it is left only with the moon. And where did our Jupiter and Ketu went? It's in the fourth house. Why it happened? Because when you go to the South Indian chart, fifth house is starting at 13 degree 53 minutes 17 seconds, and Jupiter and Ketu has a lesser degree than where our house started, and moon has a 25 degree, so which is telling us moon need to stay in this house, but these two has to go back to the previous house. So that's the reason our Jupiter and Ketu went to the fourth house from here to here. I am hoping I made these things clear. If you have any question, you can still say, text me. I will try to explain it clearly. And if you need any further clarification on any topic, please let me know in the comment. Thank you.